Okay, so this is the ignition switch out of my Honda Accord, 2005 Accord. I am fairly certain it went bad. What I read is the contacts in here will go bad over time. So this is the switch that's on the back side of the key. So when you stick the key in the ignition and you twist it and you get like your accessory, your ignition, and your start, all that is through here. So you're gonna have a hot that comes in, and it isn't completing a ground circuit. It's actually providing power to all the various circuits. So I'll pop this apart, and we'll see if we can see if contacts are bad in here or whatever. Okay, so fairly simple rotary switch here. So we've got a plastic housing. We've got a spring, which I believe hits that little tang there, which is going to keep it centered. So, when you release the pressure on this thing's going to want to come back to its resting position. We've got two little ball bearings here that are just held in place by this nylon carrier, I guess, for the whole thing. So that's that. And then we've got all the contacts here. So we can see, get some paper towel. So this thing is packed with dielectric grease. You can also see all these contact plates. You can see that all these contact plates are spring-loaded, and that's to keep them, presumably, packed against the or up against the contacts better. So they're kind of preloaded. So over time, because these are going to pit, as we can see right here, this one is pitted out pretty bad, and I would almost bet you money that that is the circuit that was giving me trouble. Let me get some brake clean to spray that off, get a little cleaner for us. Oh, okay, so this is just copper plating. I thought it was kind of odd that this whole thing would be copper. So copper plated, most likely just steel on there. You can see the wear from the contacts sliding around there over time. There doesn't really appear to be any evidence of arcing, except for maybe right here. So I would bet you money, that this little guy, or possibly this guy's pitted out pretty good. Or this little guy was the starter contact, and just the corrosion on there, it was just no longer making good contact. Yeah, so that's all there is to this. Just copper traces running through. Copper traces running through, and you can see they connect to each of the pins. Again, probably copper-plated steel, and a rotary switch that sits on here. And depending on where you flip the key to, it's going to make or break contacts. So that's that. Thanks for watching.